Hello, fifth standard students. I am Suman and Suvarna. We were discussing about the science first lesson, my body, and we were discussing about the sense organs in the animals. Now coming to birds. Birds have sense organs, the eyes, ears, etc., which enable them to see, to feel, to smell, to hear, and to taste. For each and everything, they have the sense organs, and besides these responses, birds also make different sounds to inform other birds about different situations. So अगर कुछ problem है तो they make different types of sounds. You have heard, isn't it? They make a typical sound when there is an enemy around. अगर कुछ खतरा है, कुछ कोई भी उसको हर्ट करना चाहता है तो तभी अलग ही टाइप का आवाज निकालते हैं. Similarly, they make a particular sound when they see the availability of food. तो कोई भी एक बर्ड को कुछ खाने की चीज दिखा तो वो दूसरों को बुलाने के लिए अलग टाइप का एक साउंड करेंगे. Birds also group together and make sound for setting out in search of food. So सुबह सुबह वो लोग अपने नेस्ट से वो लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं, ग्रुप में, झुंड में जाते हैं. आप लोग देखे हैं ना, पर्टिकुलर शेप सब बनाते, पैटर्न्स बनाते हैं, और जाने के वक्त, सुबह जाने के वक्त अलग टाइप का आवाज निकालते हैं. एंड in search of food or to call all members for taking rest after day work. मतलब शाम को वापस आने के वक्त अलग टाइप का आवाज. So they can understand that the sounds, whatever they make, so why they are making that sound and all, but we can understand they are different. For each and every situation there will be different sounds. They fly in groups, often making interesting shapes in the sky. This you have seen, isn't it? Now coming to reptiles. Now what are reptiles? The animals which have the rough skin, like a lizard, crocodile, snake and all, isn't it? The reptiles, some reptiles like the snakes have long tongue which helps them to feel and smell. So you have seen a snake with a long tongue and पूरा दिन उसको हिलाता रहता है ना. So it helps to feel and smell. A snake senses the availability of food through its tongue only. The snake feels different kinds of vibrations on the earth through its skin. So snake का पूरा बॉडी ये लैंड को टच करके रहता है, तो स्किन से वो साउंड, जो भी वाइब्रेशंस होता है, साउंड के वजह से जो वाइब्रेशंस होता है तो उनको मालूम पड़ता है. This helps it to detect the presence of an enemy, a danger or a prey. मतलब अगर हम चलते रहते हैं तो आवाज, जो भी वाइब्रेशंस, हमें मालूम नहीं पड़ता है वो वाइब्रेशन है, लेकिन उनको समझ में आता है. देखो कुछ भी आप लोग कितना भी धीरे चलो फिर भी देयर आर सम वाइब्रेशंस, हिलता है, जो भी ये पत्ते हिलने का कुछ भी, तो दे कैन मेक आउट, द स्नेक इट कैन मेक आउट थ्रू द स्किन. इवन द डेंजर और अ प्रे, अगर उनको खाने का है, किसी को भी, रैट कोई भी है तो उसको भी वो समझ सकते हैं. नाउ द mammals. All mammals have sense organs, but some mammals have special power either to smell, to hear or to see. See, human beings, we are the mammals. We have got the different sense organs. Even other mammals like cow, goat, dog, cat and all, every animal, they have got the different sense organs. But especially the dogs have highly developed sense of smell. So dogs का smell, उसको सेंस करने का पावर बहुत ज़्यादा है. इसके लिए पुलिस है ना, पुलिस डॉग्स को उनके टीम में रखते हैं कि कुछ भी है तो उनको, उनके जो भी चोर को पकड़ने का, नहीं तो कुछ ऐसे रहता है तो उन लोगों को, डॉग्स को, उसको स्मेल लेके वो आगे छोड़ते हैं और ये पुलिस उनके पीछे भागते हैं. सो बिकॉज दे हैव गॉट दैट स्मेल, सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. नाउ the bats have a power, special power to hear the high pitched sound. So जो sound हम नहीं सुन सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा ही frequency का रहते हैं the sound, उसको वो लोग सुन सकते हैं. Due to this ability, the bats can detect their prey easily even in the dark. इसके लिए रात को वो लोग ये साउंड के थ्रू से वो लोग सुन सकते हैं और महसूस कर सकते हैं कहाँ है, क्या कहाँ है, वो सब समझ सकते हैं. दिस इज द रीजन वाई बैट्स हंट एट नाइट. दे डिटेक्ट देयर प्रे विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाई पिच्ड साउंड नोन एज अल्ट्रासोनिक्स. सो जो हाई पिच्ड साउंड है उसको दूसरा नाम है अल्ट्रासोनिक, अल्ट्रासाउंड. सो वो साउंड को ये बैट्स महसूस कर सकते हैं और कोई भी डेंजर है, कुछ भी, केव्स के अंदर भी वो लोग रहते हैं, इतना डार्क रहेगा तो भी वो लोग अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. इट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट साउंड. सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द लेसन. होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द कीवर्ड्स. Important keywords as a definition will be asked. So what is a bone marrow? The cells and the soft material in the hollow space of a long bones, isn't it? Hope you remember the explanation. So the long bones like the thigh bone and all, they have got the hollow space inside them, so where the blood cells are formed. So cells and the soft material in the hollow space of the long bones. Now what is a cartilage? It is a tough, smooth, elastic structure that cushions the bones at their joint. Joint के वहाँ दो bones को उसके end में, bones के end में ऐसा एक tough elastic structure that cushions. Cushion मतलब cushion के जैसे काम करता है, एक दूसरे से वो घिसना नहीं. Now what is exhalation? The process of breathing air out of the lungs. So lungs से बाहर हवा को छोड़ने को बोलते हैं exhalation. Inhalation मतलब the process of taking air into the lungs. Lungs के अंदर लेने को inhalation, बाहर छोड़ने को exhalation. Now what is a joint? A place where two bones meet. जहाँ दो bones मिलते हैं उसको, वो जगह को बोलते हैं joint. Now what is a ligament? A strong stretchy band like tissue which attaches the bones together at joints. Joints के वहाँ दो bones को बांध के रखने वाला strong stretchy band like tissue, that is the ligament. Now what is a pupil? Pupil का मतलब क्या है? It is the hole that allows the light to enter the eyes, isn't it? Now ultrasonic, these are the sound waves that humans cannot hear. So humans can hear only the particular amount of a sound, so which we cannot hear, but some animals they can, that is called as ultrasonic. Now what is vertebrae? The small bones that join together to make a backbone or the vertebral column. The small bones which form the vertebral column, they are called as the vertebrae. Now we will discuss about the fill in the blanks and all. Windpipe connects nose to the dash in lungs. Windpipe connects the nose to what? The lungs, isn't it? Of the two jaws, only the dash jaw moves. Which jaw? Lower jaw. The backbone protects the dash. Backbone अंदर से किसको protect करता है? The spinal cord. Fish can feel the waves with the help of their, fish के ऊपर ऐसे line, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Lateral line. A snake uses its dash to touch and smell the objects. For what? It is a tongue. It is it. The snake uses its tongue to touch or feel and smell the objects. Eye is connected to the brain by the dash nerve. Eye is connected to the brain by the optic nerve. Now coming to the match the following. Elbow, which type of joint? Hinge joint. Wrist, it is the gliding joint. Then hip, it is the ball and socket joint. Femur, it is the longest bone. Skull has 8 flat bones. Is it clear? Now tick the correct option. The joint in the shoulder is an example for. Shoulder joint is example for ball and socket joint. Framework of bones that protect our heart and lungs is known as the rib cage, isn't it? The bony structure which protects the heart and lungs is the rib cage. Light enters the eyes through the pupil. The part of the ear which helps in maintaining the balance of our body is the inner ear. To maintain the balance of our body, that is the inner ear. The question and answers, I think you can find out from the textbook. You have understood the lesson, isn't it? So, minimum 2 times you have to read the textbook. Is it clear? Then you will understand properly and you can answer any of the questions. Any, fill in the blanks, tick the correct option, match the following. Any questions if they ask, you can answer it. Okay? We have finished the lesson. If you like this video, tap the like button, share this among your fellow students and subscribe to my channel Vidyarthi. Thank you for watching the video. Okay then, bye.